Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. And so far, sobrang okay pa rin. Healthy ang ating mga pinopost, di ba? Normally, seafood, napaka-feeling healthy. And for today is another healthy dish because it's basically blackened tuna salad. But I'll make it easy for you just by this. The salad dressing. I normally make my own salad dressing, pero parang I felt like, sabi ko, I'll teach na lang something na store-bought so it's easier. Kasi somebody gave this, edi sayang naman. But I'll be using whole tuna and I'll just teach you how to blacken it, no? Or peppered. Sometimes pag sinasabi natin blackened, akala natin it's all pepper, but it's not like that, no? So what I'll do is I'm just gonna mix it with pepper, paprika, and other things, and a little bit of salt, a little bit of thyme, and glaze it a little bit, and then sear it para sa loob is pinkish, no? And then that's how we're gonna be making our salad. So something really quick, something really healthy. Kahit hindi na summer, habulin natin ang summer body. Okay, let's go, let's cook. Bago natin ilagay ang ating tuna, I will just be doing our seasoning. Una, it's this pepper, white pepper, cumin, if you have, and then a little bit of that. If you have paprika, it will be also ideal, but I ran out of paprika, so we're just gonna do that. So the trick there is, you have to make sure that you really cover it with a lot of pepper. Tapos mamaya na yung asin. But kailangan, it's very well seasoned kasi doon talaga magbibigay yung lasa ang dish, no? Tapos, you can also add a little bit of thyme if you want. Or, pwedeng sesame seeds. Inad ko both. Anyway. Yan. Kasi nga, Japanese yung ating dressing. So, let me just get our tuna. Yun ang sabi ko. Parang kaya kailangan punong-puno siya. So, ibig sabihin, iisa lang to. Uulitin ko na naman yung buong proseso na yun. Para itong dalawang tuna. Yeah, so we're making it a lot. Kasi, it's as if we're preparing for a buffet. So, babalik na naman tayo doon. Pepper. So, we want it to be very, very, very peppery. So, here's the trick to it, diba? Kasi like kanina, if you saw, parang there's still some spaces. So, what I will do is I will add more here as I put in the oil para once I grill it, meron pang lalabas, no? Meron pang didikit na seasoning. Yan. So, a little bit of oil. And then I'm just gonna add more pepper. Yeah, it's really a very peppery dish. Kasi nga, yung salad dressing na gagawin natin is the roasted sesame. So, very, siya, di ba? Very strong yung flavor niya ng sesame. So, we wanna add and balance it with the tuna. Lagyan ko ng konting cumin. Yan. Yan. So, we are just gonna do this 2 minutes on each side because we want it to be pinkish. At habang naghintay tayo ng 2 minutes, hindi ko titigilan to. Para talagang pepper. Very peppery. So now, I'm gonna add some salt. There. So 1 more minute and then I'm gonna flip it over. Very easy. Actually, the only thing we're gonna cook here is the tuna. I mean, the rest is, it's actually our salad. Ay, pwede na pala 1 minute. Then I'm gonna do it here, another 1 minute. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. So this one, I'm just going to flip it because I added some salt. Para lang, di ba, mas mag-intertwine. So you won't taste raw salt. So I'm just gonna do 1 more minute. Ayan. We are just going to use this. Simple lang siya. Oops. Hindi ko na siya muna i-mix para hindi masyadong maging lamog yung aking lettuce. Yan. And I'm just gonna add some mangoes. This is the Sweet Elena mangoes from Southern Side Farms. May sponsor tayo ni Ate Michelle. Yeah. Cucumber. Ganun lang ka-simple. I guess I wanted to add the mangoes para may sweetness yung ating salad. Kasi nga, this is a bit spicy because of the pepper. Let's slice it up. Pahiram ng kutsilyo, dear. Dadaan si Vicky? Dadaan? Dadaan? Mag-excuse me ka? Okay, so it's not as raw, but there you go. Yun lang ka-simple. Ang ating tuna salad, kaysa ma-stuck pa siya sa ating freezer. O, diba? Then I'm just gonna probably drizzle a little bit more of our dressing. Diba? Just to make sure. And here is our blackened tuna salad with roasted sesame dressing. With mangoes, a little bit of tomatoes. But if you don't have mangoes, pwede rin naman ng melons, pwedeng apples. You can add singkamas, mix it with carrots. But pretty much here is our blackened tuna salad. Perfect for hot weathers. And enjoy it. Pwede ito pang dinner kasi nandiyan yung tuna. So meron ka ng protein. So hindi mo na kailangan magkanin, hindi mo na kailangan magkarne. Diba? Another healthy recipe for dinner or for lunch para naman ang ating triglycerides at ating waistline ay gumanda ang ating lagayan. So yun lamang po, and thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and let's keep healthy and let's keep cooking. Thank you!
Sarap, sarap. Kalche pa. Thank you, Kusina ni Mrs.